हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू TEC। आई एम डॉक्टर राजपाल और इस वीडियो के अंदर हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं द हिंदू का एक आर्टिकल दैट इज़ ऑन इंडिया चाइना रिलेशंस, द ऑनगोइंग confrontation over LAC. The writer of this article is M.K. Narayan, who has been former NSA, National Security Advisor of our country, and who has also been the governor of West Bengal. So, interpreting the India-China conversations. There is a divergence in views on both sides. India needs a plan to check Beijing's strategic objectives and ambitions. So what India needs to do? India needs to counter the ambitions and objectives of China strategically. So before we discuss this article, let's have a quick look at the vocabulary. The first word is diverge, and diverge means to separate and go in different direction. Thwart, to prevent somebody from doing what they want, to frustrate. Lambaste, lambaste means to attack or criticize somebody, something severely, especially in public. Rebut, to deny the charges, to say or prove that a statement or criticism is false. Assuage, to make the feeling of suffering less severe, to soothe. Tranquility, an atmosphere of peace and tranquility, शांति जिसको आप कह सकते हैं. Escalate, escalate means to become or make something greater, worse or more serious, etc. The fighting escalated the conflict, or the fighting is escalated into full-scale war. Escalation, further escalation of the conflict once the conflicts are rising up. An escalation in food prices. Retreat, to emphasize, to say something repeatedly that you have said before in order to emphasize that. That is reiterate. Pontificate, pontificate means about or on something. Disapproving, to give your opinion about something in a way that shows that you think you are right. Subdue, to bring somebody, something under control. For example, troops were called in to subdue the rebels, or to calm or control your feelings. Synonym, suppress. So subdue means suppress, to control. Next word is MAXIMS, maxims. Maxim means a well-known phrase that expresses something that is true or that people think is a rule of sensible behavior. Conspicuous, conspicuous, easy to see or notice, likely to attract attention. The advertisements were all posted in conspicuous places. The event was conspicuous success. It means the event was a great success. It was a grand success. Cavil, cavil means to make unnecessary complaints about something. Synonym, quibble. Burgeon, to begin to grow or develop rapidly. Patently means patently, sorry, PATENTLY. Patently, patently means without doubt, or that is clearly. It was patently obvious that she was lying. And as our focus has not only been on words, we have also been looking at word combinations, sentence structures. So there are some expressions worth learning in this article. not allowing differences to become dispute. It is also one of the consensus about India and China. This has been one of the points of agreement, that though we have differences, but our differences should not become or should not be translated into disputes. Not mince your words means to say something clearly. Mincing words means to say things indirectly. So to mince your words or to mince your statement. To say something in direct words, even though that may offend other person. And WMCC, that is Working Mechanism for Consultation and Cooperation on India-China Border Affairs. Cooperation, not confrontation. Mutual trust and not suspicion. Huge trust deficit. So once you start losing your faith into somebody, something, then that situation is the situation of trust deficit. So huge trust deficit. Unstated but clear. Unstated but obvious. Patient diplomacy. To cloud someone's thinking. To cloud someone's thinking means to misguide somebody, to create confusion in someone's mind. Burgeoning ambitions. Ambitions which are taking place, which are sprouting up. Patently evident. Clearly evident. Obviously evident. So this has been the vocabulary portion of this article, and in this article too we are going to take up the discussion. The talk is about that recently the foreign ministers as well as defense ministers of both the countries have been meeting at different places. Earlier they met at Moscow, and even this trilateral relationship RIC, Russia, India and China. So there have been big developments. To conclude this article without going line by line, so the situation is worsening, and attempts have been made, and India is blaming China and China is blaming India, that China says that you have violated the consensus, India says that you have violated the consensus on agreements over LAC. So this mutual blame gaming is going on, and amid this there have been talks and there are references to those talks, and the writer is of the opinion that there should be some sort of strategic counter reply to China's moves by India, wherein India can check China's objectives and ambitions. One such example is that India must stop strategically speaking, India must minimize first and then might stop the cooperation of China into the neighborhood. For example, the debt is one issue. सबसे बड़ा जो कर्जे का इशू है चाइना और डेवलपमेंट इशू है. China is investing in the neighboring countries in the name of investment, that we are here to develop your infrastructure, and apart from that, even in owing to this ongoing pandemic situation, China has lended huge loans to different countries, particularly our neighboring countries, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. So that we need to counter strategically, so that people don't feel indebted to China, and they can be, if they are free, then tactically they might be converted into our exporters, and that way we can counter China in a better way. So we are just reading the concluding paragraph of this article. New Delhi must reach out. India needs a carefully drawn up plan, as also on effective strategy to deny Beijing's its immediate objective, including its determination to establish regional dominance. So we must counter China to its regional dominance, and regional dominance is China's dominance in the region, in Asia. So regional dominance को counter करना है, including its determination to establish regional dominance. In this context, India must reach out to its neighbors and even countries beyond, warning them about falling into the trap of allowing alluring prospects of both economic cooperation and military support for the maintenance of peace to cloud their thinking. So particularly this assurance of military support and economic support by China to win the trust of these countries that this is for your peacemaking, this is for your betterment. That is basically China's tactic to cloud the thinking of these countries, and therefore it is our duty to clear or to remove this kind of smoke screening. It might well be the case that the current regime in China may be manufacturing crisis to play to a domestic audience, in part due to economic compulsion, but India must be on its guard. For this purpose, India must be prepared militarily and otherwise to keep a check on China's burgeoning ambitions. So we need to have a check on the emerging ambitions of China. It also needs to take care to see that China does not exploit the present pandemic to deepen its influence in India's neighborhood, as is patently evident from reports of China's plans to provide access to China's coronavirus vaccine to several countries of Asia and Africa. So apart from lending money and all that, now the latest technique of hegemonizing the neighborhood or to secure that regional dominance by China is through the assurance that China would share the coronavirus vaccine of China with these countries. So we need to counter all these moves very strategically, and for that we have to have a strong plan to counter China at the international level. So this is from this article, a very brief discussion on it, and I hope that you must be liking the vocabulary portion and the ideas. So there are so many ideas, like the idea of the differences should not become the dispute, and many more, like cooperation and confrontation. So these are the small ideas that you keep picking up by reading or by watching these videos on daily basis. So with the passage of time, you would get to learn so many things. We are also starting our book series on which we would be discussing good books, seminal books from all disciplines, particularly from the perspective of our personality development. Very soon we are starting with one such text, that is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So stay tuned into tech to empower yourself through linguistic competence. So this is the mantra on which we are working to empower you, that we are here to empower you through communication skills. So I hope with the active association with tech, you would get to learn a lot from this platform. And in order to be the strength of this online platform, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe it, like it, share it as much as possible, and do write your comments in the comment box on the variety of issues we have been discussing. So looking forward your comments and your positive response. I thank you all for watching this video and for staying tuned into tech. Thank you.